Karnataka counting has ended. The BJP candidate Nara Yansa Bhangde wins with 47 votes. BJP JDS candidates Kupendra Reddy gets 36 votes. All three Congress candidates win in Karnataka. Ajay Makkan, Nasir Hussain win with 47 votes each. Congress's G.C. Chandrasekhar wins with 45 votes. Very interesting where Karnataka was concerned. The BJP and the JDS had put forth another candidate, but that joint candidate has not made it. The Congress has managed to hold on to its own. Not only that, but also there's been cross-voting from the Bharatiya Janata Party to the Congress, and this result is something that the Congress will take a lot of heart in. There were only 4 seats or 4 vacancies from the Congress in Karnataka. The BJP JDS had fielded an extra joint candidate, and there was a cause for concern within the Congress. There could be cross-voting. That hasn't happened. This is a win for the Congress. They've managed to hold on to their stock. DK Shiv Kumar practically acting like a poll agent to keep his stock together. All smiles today. Listen in. Cut across to Nagarjun before we dip into the press conference by the Congress there. Nagarjuna, not bad for the Congress, will take heart at least in Karnataka. Managed to get all 3 candidates into the Rajya Sabha. The joint candidate of the BJP and the JDS right now losing. And a good day for the Congress, where Karnataka is concerned. Not so good with what's going on in Himachal.
Well, that's true. In fact, Mr. DK Shiv Kumar was having all smiles in the afternoon when he realized that it's only Karnataka that giving Congress a sure shot win. 3 Rajya Sabha candidates of the Congress have won today. 47 votes and 45 votes to 3 Congress candidates. The BJP candidates has won with 47 votes. The joint NDA candidate, Mr. Kupendra Reddy, has lost with 36 votes. The minimum needed was 45. I have Mr. Srinivas of the Youth Congress. Your 3 candidates have won. आपको कैसा लग रहा है? बाकी प्रदेश, उत्तर प्रदेश और हिमाचल में आपके विधायक क्रॉस वोट किया है, बट कर्नाटक में ऐसा चमत्कार क्या हुआ कि बीजेपी के विधायक क्रॉस वोट?
कर्नाटक में आपको पता है जो पूरा वोट एमएलएस के ऊपर बहुत बड़ा भरोसा था, और सबसे पहले कल भी एक मॉक वोटिंग हुआ. इस तरीके से खुद पीसीसी प्रेसिडेंट भी एजेंट बन के बैठे तमाम ये इस पे. और बीजेपी में बहुत कोशिश किया पैसे का काम करने का, अप्रोच करने का, कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ा, बट यहाँ वर्क नहीं हुआ.
बट आपका क्या ऐसे मैजिक किया कि उन्होंने क्रॉस वोट किया आपकी तरफ?
यही तो है.
गारंटी स्कीम वर्क हुआ क्या? कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी फंड दिया क्या? कुछ टिकट देने का कुछ?
बीजेपी दुनिया में कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, बट उनका कर्नाटक में उनका जो भी स्ट्रैटेजी है फेल हो जाएगा. यहाँ नहीं.
ಮೊದಲನೇ ರೌಂಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಅವರು, ಅಜಯ್ ಮೆಕೆನ್ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತು ನಾಸಿರ್ ಹುಸೇನ್ ಅವರು ಅಧಿಕೃತವಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು 3 ಜನ ಕೂಡ ಮೊದಲನೇ ರೌಂಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಗೆದ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಅವರು ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಟರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಐಕ್ಯತೆ, ಒಗ್ಗಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಇದರಿಂದ ತಮಗೆ ಮನವರಿಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಯವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಅವರು ಒಗ್ಗಟ್ಟಿನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ತಂತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿ ದುರುಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಆಮಿಷ ಒಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಯಾವ ಮತದಾರರು ಕೂಡ ಈಲ್ಡಾಗದೆ ಸ್ವಾಭಿಮಾನದ ಮತವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಈ ನಮ್ಮ 3 ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನ ಗೆಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಗೆಲ್ಲಿಸಿದಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಾಸಕರುಗಳಿಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಯಕರುಗಳಿಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರಿಗೆ ತಾವು ಬಹಳ ಅಭಿಮಾನದಿಂದ ತಾವು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದವರು ಬಹಳ ಇದರ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಚಾರವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ತಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಾಸಕರು, ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ ಖರ್ಗೆ ಸಾಹೇಬರು ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು, ಅವರು ಸುರ್ಜೇವಾಲಾ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಅವರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರೆಷರರ್ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ದೆಹಲಿಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಟ್ರೆಷರರು, ಒಬ್ಬ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ನಾಯಕರು ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೋನಿಯಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಈ ಒಂದು ಮತ್ತು ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ ಖರ್ಗೆ ಸಾಹೇಬರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತು ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಇಂಚ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಬಹಳ ಜಾಗೃತಿಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಚರ್ಚೆ
K.C. Venugopal
ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ
and inform them that
ಅಭಿನಂದನೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
the three candidates have won, and I would want to thank the MLAs of Congress Party.
I am very happy to inform you that all the Congress candidates have won on the first round. Mr. Ajay Maken, who is the treasurer of the party, has got 47 votes. Mr. Syed Nazir Hussain has got 47 votes, and Mr. G.C. Chandrasekhar has got 45 votes. The BJP also polled 47 votes, and JDS polled 36 votes. So all of them had the required quota of 4,500 points which they have to get. So they have got the required quota, and all of them have been elected at once without any second round. So I would like to thank all my voters, from my Chief Minister to all my legislators who worked very hard, and my in-charge General Secretary, Mr. Surjewala ji, and I thank my AICC President also. He was very cautious on this. He had warned us on various issues, so we have looked at it. My General Secretary organization also had called me in a several number of times, but nothing has went wrong. Everything has went on in a very smooth way. I would like to thank my Sonia Gandhi ji and Rahul ji for giving ticket to all these three congressmen of the state, of the country, who have worked hard for the party. I don't want to discuss. I don't know anything. My General Secretary is there. You can ask him whatever you want.
Friends, first I congratulate Shri Ajay Maken, Dr. Nasir Hussain, and my friend Mr. G.C. Chandrasekhar. I also laud the efforts, commitment to ideology, commitment to principles, commitment to character, commitment to democracy of the Congress legislators and all other supporting legislators who made this victory possible. This is a decisive victory, as I said in the morning, for democracy. This is a decisive victory for India. This is a decisive victory for the Swabhimana of 6.5 crore Kannadigas. And this is a decisive defeat of those who want to corrupt the democratic process by the sale and purchase of legislators. I ask Shri J.P. Nadda, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, as also Mr. Yedurappa and Mr. Vijendra today, and Mr. Kumaraswamy, why is it when you did not have the requisite legislators, why did you put up a tycoon who had loads of money in the hope that he will be able to buy the loyalty and vote of legislators who are elected by people of Karnataka? This itself was a brazen insult to the mandate given to legislators by 6.5 crore fellow Kannadigas. I am happy that legislators of Karnataka have demolished this conspiracy to tarnish democracy. They have rejected Ayaram Gayaram politics. They have rejected the politics of purchase and sale of MLAs by BJP and now by Mr. Kumaraswamy and his party. So this is in many ways a victory not for the Congress party alone, not only for Shri Siddharamaiah, Shri D.K. Shivkumar, for all the Congress legislators and our candidates, but this is a victory of the common Kannadiga. The common Kannadiga proved it in the council elections recently when they decimated the unholy alliance of the BJP and Janata Dal, and Mr. Puttanna was decisively elected. They have again defeated and rejected the unholy alliance of BJP and Janata Dal, who was seeking to buy votes of the legislators. I thank each and every one who participated in this process. I also thank all our legislators and colleagues, and I once again thank Mr. Siddharamaiah, the CLP leader. I thank Mr. D.K. Shivkumar. I thank our All India Congress Committee President, Shri Mallikarjun Kharge, without whose guidance this victory was not possible. This is a victory of principles, of ideals, of democracy and of morality and of numbers.